An invisible message, so invisible we probably won't even see it. Hi everyone, your creative educator here, and welcome to Sparkstoflameseducation, where you get great science, math, and reading content and really fun and creative ways of inspiring learning. Remember to subscribe, hit the notification so that you can see our new videos on Mondays. Like and share, and yes, subscribe now. Alright, so he's gonna write one message, and we're using vinegar, so this is vinegar. He's gonna write one message, I'm gonna write one message, and then we're gonna let it dry, and then we're gonna use the secret message revealer, and then we're gonna be able to tell what the message is. So alright, go ahead. I won't be looking at his message, he won't be looking at mine. Alright, go for it. So I'm not looking. Okay guys, so we're gonna try to do the reveal now. The thing is, he doesn't remember if that's the paper he wrote on, but in any event, what you're gonna do is crush the paper. You see how I have this one crushed? So you're gonna crush up the paper so I don't actually see where you wrote what you wrote. So just crush up the paper so I just ball it up. Ball it up, ball it up, ball it up, good. And then you're gonna lay it out flat like that. Okay, so right here I have the red cabbage powder, which you can find in the Carver kit. So this is the red cabbage. Okay, so I'm just gonna add water, a little bit of water to the red cabbage powder just to make a paste. And then I'm gonna use this brush, mix it in so it dissolves. And then all we're gonna do is take this brush and just gently whisk it across the paper to see what develops. Okay, let's see if it works.
Where is it?
Use more water. What's going on?
Oh, thanks.
Okay, so you see in the blue. Ah, thank you. That's cute. I see some blue stuff, but I can't tell what it is. Okay. Alright, let's try the other one. And wait up. Alright, one. Okay. 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 Not too. Yeah, stay far so it doesn't soak it. Okay. Keep spraying. Keep spraying. Keep spraying. Okay. 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 Alright, let's see.
Huh?
So there's a message.
Remember, you gotta go there.
Can y'all see it?
For watching next Monday when we'll have another video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. We're really trying to grow the channel. Thank you all so much for your support, and please remember to subscribe and to share it so others can subscribe. See you next Monday, and also visit the website www.sparkstoflameseducation.com, and you can get the red powder from our Carver kit. Peace out.